Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to duplicate multiple lines in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we'll start with how to download Visual Studio Code in the first place. Now, in order for you to download it, you just have to go into your browser, URL section, and from there you only need to write the Visual Studio Code name, and here it will appear the website, so code.visualstudio.com. Here it is, click on it, and here you can download for Windows, or else if you have for example another for example software or system, you can click on this arrow and here you'll have Mac OS or Linux, so you can install them from here or you can open it on your web through here. Now guys, before we start the tutorial, like the real tutorial, I want to give you a note, which is don't make a mistake between these two softwares. One of them is the one that we are using, which is the blue one, Visual Studio Code, and the other is completely different software, but it is looks like the other one, which is a purple one. It is Visual Studio. It is completely different, so make sure guys that you are using the blue one. Now after you install it and you create your account and you will be ready to use or follow me in my tutorial, so all you need to do is open Visual Studio Code, and from here guys, I'm going to write for example in a new text file or a new code, so new file Python here. So for example, print like that, hello world, and for example this is the code. And if you want to actually duplicate this line multiple time, or duplicate this line like whatever you want of time, so all you need to do is click on alt and then shift and then arrow down, and here you can see it is going all the way down. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make this happen. So it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is click on alt shift and then arrow down guys. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section and leave this video a like, and thank you guys for watching.